When you think about what you've done is you've created customization at scale, which is something that our industry really focuses and prioritizes. What lessons or things do you think that can, your journey of customization we can apply here in fintech?
Yeah, it's a great question. What we've done with our footwear is we've decided to implement an entire new design process and make it practical. And what it's done is it's taken the biggest stages of this process that have been the most costly, most time consuming, and automated them while still having a human being involved and giving input. So for example, if you're gonna make shoes traditionally, you get in the room with your designer, you give them some ideas, they create a sketch for you, they refine your sketches. We said, let's just generate images with AI and then refine those to the point where we had an idea that was really concrete, instead of having to go back and forth for a lot longer time and spending more money on sketches. You can apply this concept to fintech. I mean, you can look at, if you're going to create a new product, a banking product, a peer-to-peer lending service, you can spend a lot more time if you're going to go sketch out the way you're going to create the diagrams around this and how you're going to do the user interface, or you could spend less time and try many more iterations and automate a lot of your design thinking through artificial intelligence. And that's a way that doesn't necessarily have to cost you that much, but it's much more practical. And then when it comes to user interface, that's another thing, a consumer experience. I mean, we spent a lot of time thinking about this consumer experience and how to make it very different and stand out. And you can use AI to ideate around that and make it simple and something that just is straightforward. And I think that that's what the world wants from fintech as well. They want the most powerful, robust services with the most simple and easy to use consumer interfaces. We have a technology here with our shoes that anytime after you purchase them, you scan your feet with your phone camera. So you put an 8x11 piece of paper right next to each one of your feet, and we get 12 different data points, your arch height, your length, your width. It's very simple. It takes 2 minutes. This complicated technology is pretty simple. So if you can apply that same methodology to fintech, bring these incredible innovations, make them simple, I think that's the way to go.